Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser. In my case, it will be this default one, but basically no worries, because this operation of removing the data looks kind of similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will figure out how to do it in your browser. So let's enter the browser, as I said, and then let's tap on the 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now, I forgot to say that we've got basically two different ways to remove the browsing history in this device, in this browser. So we can do a quick cleaning kind of, and more deep one. So let's start with a quick cleaning. Let's simply tap on bookmarks and history. Let's tap on the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them right here just by tapping on clear, and your device will remove all of them. However, and it is kind of fast cleaning. And if you want to remove more advanced kind of sections of the browsing history, let's go back. Let's enter the 4 dots icon again, and instead of entering the bookmarks and history, enter the settings. Here we have to tap on the clear browsing data in the advanced section, and as you can see here, we've got more options from which we can choose. So for example, we've got the cache pages, cookies, passwords, site settings, and homepage news cache. And if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So as you can see, I will remove everything, and then tap on clear data. Confirm it with clear, and as you can see, we've got the information that the data has been cleared. Of course, if you want, you can check it. So let's go back to the bookmarks and history, enter the history, and as you can see, it is clear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.